Bye.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and now I'm going to teach you the helicopter move in less than 5 minutes. So I saw many YouTube tutorials doing this move, but I just want to share my own style and my own knowledge. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so this is easy. So we will just use our palms and the back of our hands. Okay, so first is we will use our right hand, right palm, and then left. So we will move our hand like this, 1 and then 2, and then the back of our hand, so like this, 3 and then 4. So again, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Got it? Okay, so next is we will just put it together. So we will put together our wrist, so like this, and the movement will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy. Now let's try to make it faster. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so next is we will just move it a bit fast. So like this. And then try to make like a figure 8. Try to make it a figure 8. So it's something like this. Remember, our wrist is together, so it won't break. It won't be like this. So it should be together. Okay, so next we will just do the last and final movement. So from here, we'll just put it up, and then we will do the same move as the first step. And it becomes like this. And then try to move it faster. Okay, that is for my tutorial today. I hope you learned something, and if you feel confused, you can still go back on the first step and then try to do it again and again until you master the move. So don't forget to subscribe on my channel, and hit the like button and make some comments, and I guess that's it for today. Let's go!